Got some really beautiful farmland out here, and you can see all those cars that are just over there. There's some old style cars, and in the far distance can't see the mountains because they're all smoked in, but I'm going to try to zoom in on those cars if I can. I guess I can't zoom in, but there's some really old collector cars in the background just over there on that side of my shoulder. There's some really old collector cars. I was hoping to zoom in on this. Can't do it, unfortunately, but just listen to the quietness now and the rustling of the leaves and the trembling aspen and the birds. This is old Prince George Highway, and down below you can see all the wild roses growing just there. The silence is just broken by a car that happens to be coming by on the road there. Right on my shoulder right there, I see a car coming. And he's probably thinking I got car trouble, so he's gonna try to stop or something, but that's not the case here. So, in the far distance, there he goes, away he goes. That's it. The silence only broken up by a vehicle in the far distance on the country road, the old Prince George Highway. You can see my vehicle is just over there, flashing lights. And this is it. This is the quietness in all these old cars. Hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, comment.